September 25th, and if you don't know, now you do. I'm bringing 3 guns into the gym now because open carry is legal in the state of Florida. Let's freaking go.
This could be good or this could be very, very bad. If you don't know what I'm talking about, on September 25th, you are now allowed to open carry in Florida. And the ones to overturn the law was the First District Court of Appeal. And the reasoning was because the law was not valid. This includes handguns, rifles, shotguns, muskets, any type of gun, as long as you are allowed to carry that bitch, can be open carried. But before you do that shit, make sure you follow all laws. If you see a government building, automatically know you cannot go inside of that bitch with any type of weapon. For example, schools, any type of law enforcement building, courthouses. If it looks like a government building, just assume it is and don't do that shit. Other buildings include ones that have signs posted that say no weapons. So make sure you're looking for that shit, because that'll get you in trouble really fast. And I know you probably know, but I'm gonna advise you anyways. If you see law enforcement walking up to you, do not reach anywhere near your fucking weapons. Because we all know there's gray areas. Because you have to remember, this is a new law in effect. And you're going to have some law enforcement that don't know this law has changed. And also, if you're going to be doing this, make sure you don't have one of those flimsy ass holsters that somebody can run up behind you and just jerk that shit out. Because people do it down here. So if you haven't seen this, go look it up. If you have seen it, let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Y'all see the open carry state now? Nigga that nigga play, nigga meme all, get their ass blown and go to the corral. I swear to God. I swear to God. Nigga gonna fuck around and get face like this. What, nigga? I'm like, what you say? Boy, what? What? And I alternate the shit. And I shoot like this. Walk down her shit. Walk down shit. Walk down shit. Walk down shit. I wouldn't show y'all that bit, but I want y'all to try me and think I got it and think I'm just trolling. Yeah, I'm trolling.
I already knew this was gonna happen. Y'all done made the people, the sheriff and all of them go live. They hold a press conference today. The law don't even go into effect until tomorrow. They had to come just a few hours ago and make an live announcement to let people know, listen people, yes, the law has passed in Florida that people can open carry now. This is live on television. They say, man, people can walk around with AK-47 strapped over their shoulder with their ammo and all showing. They can have a shotgun across their shoulder now. Yes, they can have a gun holster on their waist. The law has passed. It used to be 5 states that didn't allow open carry. California, Washington, D.C., New York, Illinois, and Florida. Now Florida ain't on that list no more. It's only 4. They passed it, y'all. Going into effect tomorrow. But they had to come make a live conference today to let people know, stop calling us. We can't do nothing. They done passed the law. They said that it is violation of people's constitutional right not to allow them to open carry. So now, yes, it's not a rumor. Everybody's asking, it's not a rumor. Yes, the law goes into effect Thursday, September the 25th. You can now open carry in the state of Florida. Y'all thank me later, man. Be safe out there.
What's up guys, thank you for being here. If you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and follow for more. So today we are talking about a significant development in Florida's gun law. As of September 25th, 2025, the state's ban on open carry has been deemed unconstitutional, and Floridians can now openly carry firearms in public. Is this a good one? Let me know what you think in the comments.
You can open carry your firearm in the state of Florida. So beginning on September 25th, the Florida Supreme Court, along with the Attorney General, said that it is now constitutional for you to open carry with your firearm. So if you're following this history with Florida, around 1 to 2 years ago, you can now carry a concealed weapon in the state of Florida without having to go through any type of course or having a license. Now, beginning September 25th, you will be able to open carry. But if you are an immigrant, do not make this mistake. This is only applicable to U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents. Also, if you have a felony, this does not apply to you. So if you are an immigrant on a temporary status, such as you entered on a B1, B2 visa, or you are a student, this does not apply to you. If you are undocumented, it's even worse. This does not apply to you. If you are caught with a firearm, this is a violation of state law, which will lead to you having an interaction with ICE and more than likely deported. So yes, you may have the ability to purchase a gun, but if you are an undocumented immigrant, if you have a felony, whether you are a lawful permanent resident or a U.S. citizen, this law will get you in trouble because you should not be in possession of a firearm to begin with. And last but not least, if you are pending asylum, if you are a student on a student visa, if you're on a tourist visa, yes, there are limited exceptions if you have a hunting license, but why even go down that road, right? Only possess a firearm, concealed or open carry, if you are a U.S. citizen that has some common sense. I hope this helps.
Florida's open carry ban was just struck down. That means in many places, people now can legally carry their firearms openly, and it's creating a lot of confusion across the state. But here's what's important to know. Even with this ruling, firearms are still prohibited in schools, courthouses, polling places, government meetings, and police stations. As a first responder and a father, I know safety isn't partisan, and we can respect the Second Amendment while also fighting for common sense laws that keep our families and children safe. So do me a favor, stay aware, stay safe, and know your rights under this law. And together we can build a safer Florida.